Alright guys, I'm out here today with Dylan. We have a different angle. We got a chest mount. If you guys prefer that angle or the other angle, just leave it in the comments. Or if you don't care, then don't say. What we're gonna do is, the pond is really low today. I think we got some thunderstorms coming in. Oh, missed it. As we're calling out the intro, I thought he had it. Went to hook set him. Give it 1 second. Hopefully. I don't know if you guys can see. He was like in all that slop, like just in that nastiness. Onto this. That's crazy. That's crazy there's nothing there. You're about to get riding the wave, riding the wave. First one, he's really little. Let me make sure I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Really little, but it's one. Something. Oh, I double hooked him. There we go. Yeah, he wasn't going anywhere. It was on the frog. Oh, we're gonna get right back in. I don't know if you guys saw that. Let's get right back in. Actually, let's see if we can keep this going and get it on the same clip. See if he... Oh, a nice one. Let's go. All right. Decent little one. Yeah, about a pound. Yes, sir. Thank you. Nice little guy, about a pound. Woo. Feisty. Feisty, feisty. It is. There's a fish on the end of this. Yep.
I'm coming around.
I can feel him bumping. He's still on. I'm trying to just pull him through it. No. No. Oh, man. You got him?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Oh, nice one, Dylan. I can't believe that worked. Good stuff. Ooh, probably 1.5 pound fish.
Close to that.
That was perfect. Perfect hook. It's recording too, I think. It is. Oops, sorry.
Come on.
Do you want to weigh him? Or not? All right, yep, I got the scale. Hold on, let's hook it on him, and then we'll zero it out. Don't let him go. Just wait. I'll tell you when. Okay? 1.6. Easy, easy.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh, hold on.
Got him?
Yep.
Nice. 1.6.
You ripped the top of the...
Well, yeah, with the thing.
Yeah.
Well, you shouldn't have shook.
How come you clip them by the top lip?
Should I clip him by the bottom? I don't know. It's just kind of.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do it next time. Honestly, I just kind of. It's the way I've been doing it, so I haven't changed it.
I know. I've been noticing that. I'm like,
I'll do. Oh, that's money. Don't turn me sideways. Don't turn me sideways. There we go. A big one jumped over here, but I don't know if he's still. Oh, there he is. Big, Dylan. Really big. Yeah. Oh my. I can't. He's pulling my drag, dude. I can't. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Dylan! Dylan, look at the size of this thing. 4.3, you think? Oh my. Barely hooked, dude.
okay, maybe not 4.
Nah, not 4.3. I'm thinking he's close to 3.
3.6.
Guys, look at the size of this fish. Do you mind getting like a regular picture? Because this is going to be a good thumbnail. All right, let's see what he weighs. Please tell me that's on. Oh, it's on. Thank goodness. Oh my gosh. All right, let's try what Dylan was saying, hooking him on the bottom lip. Three, guy.
Let's go.
All right. Hold on, let me let him get some water. All right. All right, we'll do one like this. One like this. And
good.
Guys. Dude, look at this. This thing's a unit.
Out of the water, bro.
Dude. All right, we're gonna let him go. I'm gonna try and angle it so you guys can see. You know what? Hey, you cool if I work this tree? This tree here? I'm gonna work it with the frog and then the worm. Got him. This is a nice one.
Yeah, it is.
This is probably a 2. Yeah, this is probably a 2. Just had to get a little sneak peek for you guys. try the bottom lip, like Dylan was saying. I think that does work a lot better. I'll show you guys the weight once we get it. 110. Not quite 2, Dylan. That way you guys can see. 1.2. Oh, 110, sorry, 110. That's a wicked nice fish though. It looked too fishy, Dylan. Let me fix my worm for my backup bait. It's like back to back now, dude. This is getting crazy. That's why he didn't hit the frog. I think he was too small to hit the frog. I mean, he wasn't too small, but. Oh, I'd say maybe not even a pound. About a pound.
No, not even.
Not even, nah. Maybe like 3/4, half a pound. Little dink, little guy. That 3-pounder would have ate this thing. These things are more feisty than the big ones. Tiny. Right, let's get re-rigged. Really good spot. Oh, big, Dylan. Big. Come here. Come here. Holy cow. This is the day of the big ones, guys. What is happening? I actually saw his body come up and I just twitched the worm and he like shot up on it really fast and then stopped. So I was assuming that he was gonna just let it go, but he ended up hitting it. Come on, you're almost there. You're almost there. There we go. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see how much this guy weighs. I'm thinking he's close to 2, if not 2. Two pounds on the dot. 2 on the dot, Dylan. So you guys can see, 2 pounds. Really nice fish. All right. Off he goes. My goodness, what a day. We're not even at the best spot yet. Oh, I just hit my paddle. I don't know if they're gonna like this color. They're gonna have to deal. this could have been the guy that snapped me off a second ago. Because I know my line was a wee bit frayed. We've caught a lot of fish on the same tie, so I wouldn't be surprised. There we go. About a pound. About a pound, Dylan. Maybe a little less. Little guy. Oh, come on. Let me grab you, dude. This is why having the net was nice. Ow. Come on. Oh, those little guys biting me and all kinds of stuff. Little guy. We're just working our way down this little channel right here, trying to see if because we didn't really work it because we had a couple other guys come through, a guy and his son, and trying to see if we can snag any big ones along these bank edges. I think it was right over here somewhere where I was saying, oh yeah, I never caught one on this side, and that I caught that really big one that got off.
Yep. Oh yeah. Nice one.
Oh, wicked nice one. Try and keep him in the water. I'm coming. Oh, that's a giant. Make sure I'm recording. I am. Get him in, get him in, get him in. You're good, you're good. You got it. Get him in.
Come on, come on, come on.
Nice.
Oh, yes.
Nice. Whew. That's a little piggy.
Dude. Bust out the scale for this big boy.
Stay. You can obviously take him back once I'm done. Hold on.
Yep.
Right there. Yep. 212.
No way. He's got to be bigger than 2, bro.
Hold on. We can try it again. Want to try it again?
Yeah,
Hold on.
more.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta zero it.
Dude, look at that belly. No way he's only 2.
He's not that long though. He's extremely thick. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Ooh.
Wait. It's not zeroed. Good. Yep. 211. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Ready?
Can you take a picture for me?
Oh yeah, I got you.
Dude, that's the biggest 212 I've ever seen.
Literally perfect.
Come on, buddy. You're good. Yep. Nice.
Good stuff. All right, guys. We're going to end it on that one. If you want to see anything different, just leave it in the comments. Thank you, Dylan, for coming out.
No problem, dude.
That was a blast. We just released that one, so we're still a little tore up. But definitely time to call it a night. It's getting wicked dark. But if you guys want to see anything different, just leave it in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next one.